Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create a logo, and our logo concept is Nimbus Foundation, and it means the rising sun. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, I have collected some kind of information which is related to our logo concept. So I have not make that sketch till now, but I make that sketch in my mind, and we are going to make that sketch directly in our software. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see that this is sun, so we have to add this sun in our logo concept, and a leaf and a child. So actually this logo is related to child welfare logo, so that type of information I have collected. So now let's begin our logo steps. First, unlock that image and skip that image at side. Now so our first thing is we have to make a leaf. So first we are going to create a leaf, so take pen tool from here and now create the leaf. So I am just creating the leaf, or from here to here we have to drag that point, and now we can put that thing here and join them. Now select the leaf and change the color of it. So I'm choosing black here, so I think it is quite good. Now we have to make again a leaf, so select from here and now create a leaf again, and make a leaf, and now make the same leaf again here. So I think it is quite good. So this type of shapes is totally look like a leaf. And now we have to create our second object. So guys, we now we are going to create that shape, and that shape is related to child. So select pen tool again and drag and make some kind of shape of childhood, so we can adjust that shape here. So I'm just, and now our shape is complete, so we can adjust it. So I think it is looking quite good. And now select that point and make it little bit curve. So I think it is quite good. And now we have to make the mouth of that person. So select ellipse tool from here and draw a rectangle, draw a circle. Now select that down point and stretch it a little bit. And rotate it. I think we have to make it small little bit. So I think it is quite good. Now we have to create some shape which look like a sun. So we can create some dots from here to here. Okay, then select ellipse tool and draw a circle here, and we have to put that circle around that. So first we can make a circle here, and now change it into stroke, and from here to here we can adjust it. So I'm just putting that circle from here. Now zoom it and put it in properly, and we can make duplicate by pressing Alt key. So now we have completed this. Now create again circle and make it small little bit. Copy that circle and make again a small little bit, and make it parallel of that big object, and adjust it. Now we have to delete that biggest circle. So now we can adjust it properly. So I think it is looking quite good. And now we have to take again a circle and make it duplicate. Now make it small by pressing shift key, and now put that circle here and make again it's copy, so make it copy again. So guys, our logo concept is ready. Now we have to give some colors in this logo. So select that leaf first, and after that we can adjust our text in this logo. So first we have to colorize it. So select that layer and go to window panel and take from here gradient panel. Now select this, and we have to open our swatches panel. So this is our swatches panel. Now put color from here. Sorry. Now select this color picker tool and take color from here. And in this slider we have to pick some light color, so like this. Now we can adjust its gradient. So take gradient tool and make some adjustment. I think it is good. And now put same that color in this leaf. So put that color and adjust it. Okay, then in this these biggest circle we have to select first and make them group. So select all the circles and group it. Now select these middle circles and group it. We can make group by pressing Ctrl and G key, so you can make it easily. And guys, if you want to download these files in EPS format, then you have to download these files, link in the descriptions, and you can download all the things which are using in this logo and make it group again. Now take this and give reddish color in this shape, and in this shape we can give this color, but we have to make it little bit light. So go to window panel and select here color, and from here we can make it little bit light. Go here three dots and take from here CMYK colors. Now you can make it little bit adjust. Now select these dots and select this color, and now adjust these colors in this, and I think it is looking quite good. And in this shape we can give this color, and in this shape also. So I think our logo concept is ready. Now we have to put our text here. So our text is Nimbus Foundation. So select this logo and make it group, and now we have to do workout in our text. So select numbers, and now first select all our text and give some special font in this. So I'm using Resolve font here. I think it is quite good. And in this text we can adjust font. We can adjust different font here. So I'm also selecting Resolve font, but this other version of that font. So we can adjust this font, Nimbus Foundation. I think it is looking quite good. And in this text we can give some color, but first we have to do it. Go to object panel and expand it. Now select all the text and make it ungroup. Now select Nimbus text and give this color in this text, and in foundation we can give different color, but I am giving here light black color here, and put our logo here and increase the size of it. So it is our logo. I think it is looking quite good. Now we have to put our tagline here. So our tagline is serving the needy. So this is our tagline. Now we have to change a font. So I'm using here Lato font, I think Montserrat font here, I think this font, and make it small and paste here. Now give some space between the letters, so select that letter and press Ctrl T for character panel, and now increase the space of that sentence here. So I'm giving here 1500 points, I think more, so we can give here more space, and now we have to adjust it, so we can make it by pressing down key. So guys, this is our logo concept, and I think it is now ready. Now go to object panel and expand it and delete it. So guys, if you want to put that logo in mockup, then I can show this logo in mockup file. So first go to Photoshop and take mockup, take our mockup from the files. So I'm going here, go to mockup file, and now select I want to add this mockup file, so double click here and put our logo content here. So this is our logo concept, and now select it and cancel and yes. So guys, this is our logo concept. So I hope you guys all understand. So thank you for watching my video. If you really enjoyed this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.